Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website, which is officially website gigabyte.com, and then right inside you can see this is search tab. To enter your model number B86 Gaming X WIFI6E, then hit enter. Click on product, then click on title. This is your motherboard, so click on support. Then select your operating system which is required. So if you are using any Windows 10 11, because installations process same, driver same. Okay, audio driver. So this is a Realtek audio driver, and you can see 165, this is size, and click to here to download. Okay, so I already downloaded. I show you this Realtek audio 165 size. Just after download, open that, then double click. Then okay. Now this is extracting to system the driver. Now this is installing. So this is closed automatically, means this is installed.